your breath, a ghost against my skin. I feel the space where the walls are closing in. How vast is the area of this heartfelt ache? The boundaries of sorrow, the lines that we break. If there's a pattern in the way we bleed, a shared connection in the seeds we breed, let the silence swallow all the hollow pain, like smoke in the night, washing out in the rain. Under the stars that fracture in the sky, I'm whispering wishes as they wither and die. The clock doesn't stop, the gears keep on turning, but deep in the stillness, the embers are burning. Let them fade away, these orange tinted days. Let them vanish in the soft and shifting haze. Whatever the distance, whatever the way, I'm whispering a prayer to negotiate with fate. Let the ghosts of the past, the shadows of blue, dissolve in the dark. Let them fade out for you, so softly, so quietly. Let it all go. Let the orange days vanish in the undertow. Footprints remain on the pavement of my mind, searching for traces we've left far behind. In the amber glow of a sunset long dead, I'm tracing the echoes of words left unsaid. Like a river that flows to the edge of the sea, I'm letting it wash all the memory of me. Our dreams are whispers, the stories we wrote, drifting away like a paper thin boat. Inside the furnace where the memories ignite, my prayers turn to ashes in the dead of the night. Do you see